Hello everyone, welcome. Tonight we are going to do some meal prep. I am going to take this ground chicken and turn them into some chicken burgers, and along with it I am going to make a cucumber salad with a creamy dill dressing. So if you want to learn how to do a little bit of meal prep with some chicken burgers, then stay with me and I'll show you how coming up next. All right, everyone, welcome back. So let's go ahead and get into putting together these chicken burgers. So I have some ground chicken here. You can buy it already ground, or you can take a chicken breast and grind it up just like I did. So all the measurements are on the screen. So I have the ground chicken here. To it, I'm going to add some onion, some garlic, some mayonnaise, let's get all the onions out of this bowl. Let's go ahead and add some salt, pepper, and some paprika to this. All right, you guys. Let's go ahead and combine all of these ingredients. And lastly, I'm going to add some breadcrumbs, and these are keto friendly. I made them out of some almond flour. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and put some plastic gloves on so I can form these into patties. All right everyone, I've got some food safe gloves here. And here we have the meat. Just make sure that everything is thoroughly combined. And I am going to form about 4 patties. Looks pretty good. All right. And that is about the thickness that I want. And I'm going to continue on and get the rest of these formed. All right, everyone, these are ready to go on over to the stove. I have a skillet that is preheating. I'm going to put some avocado oil in, and I will go ahead and cook these until they're golden brown on each side. I'll see you at the stove. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and put some avocado oil. Let's see if you can see that here. Avocado oil, okay, into this heated skillet. About 2 tablespoons, and spread it around. And then put these patties in. All right, and I will proceed to cook them until they are golden brown on each side. All right, everyone. So while that meat is cooking, let's go ahead and take care of this cucumber salad. So I already have cleaned and cut these cucumber slices into quarters. We'll put some salt and pepper on them. Give them a mix. Okay, go ahead and put in some purple onions. And set this aside so that we can make the sauce. All right, so for the sauce, you can either use mayo or you can use Greek yogurt, and I have Greek yogurt here. Followed by some garlic. Okay. Some fresh dill. And you guys, this is the sauce. I'm just gonna whisk it up. Before I do this, there's one thing that I did forget to do with the cucumbers. Needed to put a little bit of lemon on this. Maybe about a teaspoon, not too much. Okay, that looks good. We gotta give this a taste. That's so good. So good. Okay. Now, back to this dressing. Let's whisk this up real good. And your sauce for the cucumbers is ready. Now, as you can see, I did not make a lot. So if you want more of a dressing on your salad, then of course you add a little bit more of the Greek yogurt or mayonnaise, whichever one that you decided to use. But for my purposes, this is plenty. I don't want it soaked. Okay, now this is ready. So we're gonna go over to the stove and check on those burgers, and then when I come back, you guys, we are going to put it all together. All right, let's see if these are ready to flip. Oh yeah, these are ready. Okay, now I'm gonna brown them on this side. All right, you guys, these are ready. Okay, now let's put it all together. All right, everyone, so let's go ahead and put it all together. So, for 2 days, what we can do is we can have a spinach salad. And if you've not yet seen that video, I will leave it in the description. But the spinach salad is no more than spinach. It's got some bacon, it's got some Parmesan cheese and onions, and it's got some candied walnuts. All right. And what I'm gonna have with that is a chicken patty with a little marinara sauce on top. Some mozzarella cheese. And then your dressing of choice to go alongside your salad. And you guys, you are good to go. So this is number one. And then the second one, I am going to have some of this cucumber salad with this creamy dill dressing. Along with a chicken burger. And we're going to make this like a burger without the bread. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put some special sauce on it. A little sauce on it. Lettuce, tomato, onion, also a piece of bacon. And there we have it. Meal number 2. And also a pickle or 2. And there you have it. Meal number 2. And there we have it, you guys. We took some ground chicken, made 4 patties, and we prepped 4 different meals. And over here, I've got a spinach salad with a dressing of my choice on the side, along with this chicken patty that has been covered with some marinara sauce and some mozzarella cheese. And then over here, I've got some of this cucumber salad with a creamy dill sauce. And on top of the grilled chicken burger, I have bacon, sauce, lettuce, tomato, and onions. And on the side, I've got a couple slices of dill pickles. You guys, you are all set for 4 days out of the week. And if you wanted to, you can make these patties a little bit smaller and you can make 5 meals out of it. So you guys, here you have it. Please do give this video a thumbs up, please do share, and please do press that subscribe button below. And remember, you guys, to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. It is a great day. You make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, you keep growing, thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. And I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you soon.